Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's tutorial, I am going to be covering setting up some plugins that we are going to be using on our justvideomarketing.com WordPress site. In the previous video, we covered just the basic setup and a theme installation, but today we are moving forward, and I look forward to showing you some plugins that we are going to be using so that our WordPress site can be much more effective. So with that said, let me log in to my WordPress dashboard. So we're now in the WordPress dashboard, and what we want to do is go to plugins and do install plugins. We are going to be installing a bunch of plugins to add to the Akismet plugin that we added initially. So the first one we are going to be looking at to install is Alexa. Sorry about this. We need to do add new. And we need to do Alexa. And Alexa basically lets us track how much traffic we're getting to our website. So we're going to install this Alexa Certify. All we need to do is do an install now, and we can also activate the plugin. So we're good to go. I might be showing you how to configure the settings later on. The next plugin we're going to be looking at is one for YouTube called Automatic Feature. Oops. So we do add new, and it's automatic feature for YouTube, I think it is. Basically allows us to embed YouTube videos in our site effortlessly. I'm just going to try and see if I can find it. I think it's automatic feature images. Okay. I haven't seen it yet, just checking through. Tell you what, let's see what plugins they got for YouTube. Maybe that will bring it up. I haven't found the actual plugin that I'm looking for. So I won't worry too much for now. I would for now I'm just going to install this Embed Plus for YouTube and see how and activate it. So the next we're going to need to install plugins that would allow our Facebook and Twitter feeds to show on our blog. So the first one is it's custom Facebook feed. It's by Smash Balloon. So let's see. I think it's this one. It used to be formerly custom Facebook feed. So I'm just going to install that. And I will also be showing you how to use all these plugins once we are up and running. The next one is a Twitter Webalizer. So I'm looking for Webalizer. Let's just do Twitter and let's see what plugins we are going to come up with. So is this one, custom Twitter feeds? That's the one we want, and we activate it. The next thing we want is to be able for our visitors on our website to be able to contact us. So the most popular plugin for that is Contact Form 7. It's this one here. So we activate it. And we also need another contact form, but this time so that we don't have robots contacting us, they would need to fill in a capture page. So contact form 7. So contact form image, I think it's reCAPTCHA. I think it's this one right here. I'm not sure, it could be this one. Let's see. I will install this one for now, and we'll just see which one it is. The next one we need is Google XML Feeds. And this basically allows us to have a site map. So actually XML site maps. Yeah, Google XML site maps, that's the one we need. This helps us to improve SEO by helping search engines better index our sites. And next one that we need is to be able to share our posts, and that's share or link, I think it is. As you can see, there's a bunch of plugins that you can install. I'll just go for this add to any share button. I cannot find the exact one I'm looking for. So, and you feel free to play around with these plugins for your own site if you so wish. These are just basic ones that I've used before, that's why I'm installing them. The next one is used SEO again. This helps us improve our SEO and helps us to write good SEO content. So that's that one, and we're also going to need Google Analytics so that we can track the people that come to our website. And figure out where our visitors are coming from. Google Analytics. So the one we need is Google Analytics 4WP by exact metrics. Just activate that. We're probably going to need a bunch of more plugins. I think another one that we might need is, let's see, because another thing that we might want to do is collect emails. So I'm just going to try and find, I think it's Mail Munch. So it's Mail Munch Grow Your List. This is the one we need. It's a free plugin and it allows us to capture emails on our blog. So you can have forms and pop-ups, you can have landing pages, and you can also connect autoresponders. So let's just look at some of our plugins. So for instance, we've got contact forms, so we can basically just use this short code and what I'll possibly do is I'll cut short this this video, and in the next video I would basically start customizing all of these plugins so that they look very good on our website, on our WordPress site. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please feel free to comment below if you've got any questions, and also if you're joining us for the first time, hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that I can notify you once I shoot shoot another of these videos. I'm going to be shooting quite a few videos, so I would like to be able to notify you once I do that in this tutorial series. So with that said, enjoy your day and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.